Making art feels magical. It's true. When you make art, you make something from nothing. You transform blank pages into colorful expressions. You turn simple ideas into tangible creations. It's powerful and exciting. Art doesn't judge, it welcomes all. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a curious beginner, art welcomes you. It's a space to explore, experiment, and express yourself freely. Let the magic begin. Making art is a joyful experience. It allows you to tap into your inner child. Remember the freedom of coloring outside the lines? You can do that again. Embrace the joy of creation. Every stroke, every mark you make on a page or canvas is a step into a world of your own making. It's a journey of self-discovery and creative exploration. Dive in and enjoy the ride. Art provides a voice to your emotions. Sometimes words fail to express how we feel. Art can help us communicate the things we cannot say. It can be a powerful tool for healing, self-discovery, and emotional well-being. Have you ever felt a wave of emotion wash over you? Anger, joy, sadness, excitement. Art can capture them all. Grab a paintbrush, a pencil, or whatever you prefer. Let your emotions flow onto the page. Art becomes a mirror to your soul. It reflects your inner world in colors, shapes, and textures. Don't censor yourself, don't judge your art, just let it flow. Let your emotions guide your hand. You might be surprised by what emerges on the canvas or paper. It's a release, a way to process and understand yourself better. Art isn't just about emotions, it's about problem solving too. When you create, you face challenges. You learn to experiment, adapt, and find creative solutions. These skills extend beyond the canvas. They enhance your ability to navigate challenges in all aspects of life. Think of a problem you're facing. Now imagine representing it visually. Maybe you use colors to depict your emotions. Perhaps you draw symbols to represent different aspects of the problem. Suddenly you see the problem from a new perspective. You might even stumble upon a solution you hadn't considered before. Art can be a powerful tool for innovation and problem solving. Next time you're stuck, grab your art supplies instead of your phone. You'll be amazed at the creative solutions that emerge. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't be an artist. The world is full of people who will try to put you in a box. They'll tell you what you can and cannot do. Don't listen to them. You are an artist. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to make art. It's about the process, the journey, and the joy of creation. Embrace your unique perspective and let it shine through your art. The world needs your creativity. It needs your unique voice, your vision, your perspective. Don't hold back. So grab a pencil, a paintbrush, or whatever tools speak to you. Start creating today. You are an artist. Now go make some art.